Hi everyone, this is Vishal Khan and today we are going to talk about software quality assurance, and the today objective is we will discuss ISO 9126 quality attributes, McCall quality factors and difference between fault and failure. So ISO 9126 quality attributes are functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability and portability. These are the quality attributes which must be satisfied by your software or product, and after that we can say that your software have a good quality, or the quality of your software is good. So functionality mean what? Functionality mean core capability of the system. It means that the system must satisfy the required purpose for which it is designed and also satisfy the user requirements. Reliability mean what? Fault free operation mean whenever any failure or fault is occurred, so it can be manage it very easily in an efficient way. Usability mean what? Understandability, learnability and operability. It means that your system must be easy to use, easy to learn and easy to operate by the users. Efficiency mean what? Time and resource behavior mean your system must be efficient, that it by using how many resources and by taking how much time to perform a particular task. So if your system take using minimum resources and taking less time, so it means we say that your product or software is efficient. Maintainability mean that analyzability, changeability, stability and testability. It means that you must be able to analyze the system very easily to identify the problem, and after that when you identify the problem, how you will bring the changes in the current version of the software, and after bringing the changes whether your software is stable or not, mean whether the current changes does affect the other component of the software or not. You must see the impact of the change. And testability mean you must be able to test your required software after bringing the particular or the specific changes. Portability mean what? Mean how your system will behave in different environment, mean adaptability, installability and replaceability. We also have McCall's quality factors regarding the quality of software or the product quality. So the first one is the correctness, ensures the required purpose of the system and satisfied user requirements in a correct manner. Reliability means we already discussed reliability in ISO 9126 quality attributes. We already discussed efficiency. The fourth one is the integrity. Integrity means how to protect system from unwanted threats to ensure system security. Usability, we already discussed it. Maintainability, we also discussed it. Flexibility mean what? Mean easy to use. Your system must be flexible. Portability, we already discussed it. Reusability mean what? How to reuse the system resources how to reuse the system resources of the system after bringing changes in the software. Interoperability mean what? Mean how your system will be communicated with the other system, mean it's related with the interaction in software interaction. So mean how the two different systems are interacted effectively. And the small thing and the last thing is difference between fault and failure. So fault means when an error occur in the system and end user does not know about the error and continue their required and current tasks. While failure means when an error occurred in the system and the end user must stop their current task to fix the failure. It means that In the scenario of fault, the end user doesn't know about what happened on the server side because they don't know about the fault and they fix the issues. But in case of failure, you must stop the required activities and tasks that is performed by the end users to fix the failure. If you people like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.